Welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today, we're going to look at one of the tokens I've been dying to get into for a while and how to easily stake it and qualify for some upcoming airdrops. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your Pyth tokens and qualify for some amazing upcoming airdrops. Now, I remember I wanted to start staking Pyth almost a month ago. And it was around 35 cents, and I just got busy, and then it went up, and I kept waiting for a pullback, and it just has not come. So I'm just going to go ahead and bite the bullet. Now, once I buy this today, the price will drop. That's just how it always works in crypto, right? So hopefully by the time you guys seen this, maybe it's dipped to 55, maybe even 50 cents, and then you guys can get an entry. Now, why do I love Pyth? Well, it's an oracle. An oracle is something that gives price feeds to decentralized finance. So it is very, very important in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance to have oracles that can be trusted. Now, Chainlink is kind of the OG or granddaddy of oracles. I also love Chainlink. I hold a lot of it. I think it's going to do very well in this next bull market. But as you can see, Chainlink's market cap is already $12 billion. So how much they can go up is going to be a lot more difficult for them to go up. Whereas Pyth has not even hit $1 billion left at 927 million. And there's some benefits that I think Pyth has that Chainlink doesn't have right now. So this is going to be a pretty simple video today, guys. The first thing you're going to need is a wallet. I prefer a wallet on Solana. I prefer to use Phantom wallet. Okay, and you're going to need to get some Solana in your Phantom wallet. So you can go to crypto.com or Coinbase or Kraken, wherever you get your crypto, and buy some Solana and send it here. They might have Pyth on those exchanges as well, but just to keep it simple, I would just do Solana. And then I'm going to swap for some Pyth. I'm going to use Jupiter because this is giving airdrops as well. So I want to use this exchange as much as possible. So I'm going to take my 4.6 Solana and look for Pyth. There you go. You want the Pyth. And let's do 2 Solana worth. All right, let's try this again. I just refreshed it. We'll see if we get the same error. Okay, this looks correct. So we're going to swap 2 Solana for 367 Pyth. Okay, so we have those in our wallet now. I'll put the links here underneath the YouTube video, but this is staking.pyth.network. So we're going to select our wallet. We'll hit Phantom and connect. Now, yeah, I don't want to do that. So they run what's called an epoch, which means every day on Thursday you can stake or unstake. So today is Tuesday. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now, but my tokens won't actually get staked until Thursday. And then if you want to unstake them, they become unstaked on Thursday. So I believe if you do look at the price does tend to go up on Thursday right now. So if you are coming in with more than this, they do recommend setting up multiple wallets. So this is about $250. So if I do come in with more, I'll stake it on another wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll do 350. Keep a little bit in my wallet. So we're going to hit stake, and you can see here, there's a small Solana fee, and then 350 of my Pyth are going to be staked. Now, right now, this is not paying out any sort of yield. Basically, let's actually cover what it looks like. Okay, so this is on their blog, a guide to staking Pyth tokens. Pyth just launched November 20th, 2023. And then this is where it talks about the epoch on Thursday. And this is just kind of taking you on how to do it as well. All right, this is what I wanted to show you guys. All of these projects are going to be using Pyth. So you can see I think they said there's over 100 of them. So they have 151 to 364 for Chainlink, so they're coming up to challenge them. Users of eligible applications can expect the respective teams to release details about how they plan to utilize their Pyth allocations. So you can get some Pyth by getting involved with these, but I believe they also said there's going to be more for those who are just staking as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Straight into the point. Guys, this is yield farming season, airdrop season. So find protocols that you guys like, get in them as early as possible, stake your tokens to get passive rewards, and just get excited, guys. Bitcoin went over $50,000. We still got about 60 days until the halving. So again, get positioned 60 days before we go blasting off to the moon. All right, lace up, guys. Let's get wealthy. Peace.